if you really care about your privacy, your data, then you need to work on these two features in ChatGPT right now. The first one is going to help you if you have a very sensitive information that you want to work on using ChatGPT, but you don't want ChatGPT to keep that information and use it for any other thing, right? So this is how you have to go about it. You have to go and locate your profile icon wherever it is. Mine is here, so I'm going to click on it, and from here I have to go straight to the settings tab. So I'll click on settings over here. Once I click on it, the page that loads, I have to go straight to data controls. Now this is where it gets interesting. Now over here you go straight to, we have this part labeled as improve the model for everyone. You can see mine is currently on. That's because I don't have anything sensitive that I want to share. Now let me click on it and show you something. So let's read this together. Improve the model for everyone. This allows your content to be used to train our models, which makes ChatGPT better for you and everyone who uses it. Now imagine you have a very sensitive information that you are trying to just work on, something very sensitive to you, but you're trying to use ChatGPT to research around it. Do you, let's be honest with ourselves, do you actually want to allow ChatGPT to have access to that information which will be used to train the ChatGPT model? Of course, they promise you data protection, all right? They promise you that, oh, your privacy is being protected and so forth, and a whole lot like that. But then, do you actually want to allow ChatGPT to have access to those quote unquote sensitive information? Myself, I wouldn't do that. So, the best thing to do whenever you want to work on something like that, just come and turn this off over here, turn it off, and you are good to go, right? But for now, I don't have anything like that to do. All that I'm doing is just a normal research to help improve how I work online and stuff like that. So I'm just going to leave it on. I'm totally giving ChatGPT permission to use those things to train the model, and that is fine, right? So if you are somebody, if you are someone who have a very sensitive information that you want to work on, then I'll advise you actually come and turn this off before you proceed. Now that is the first one. The second one, let me just close this quickly. The second one has to do with all this you've seen over here. These are the works that I've done using ChatGPT. You could see ChatGPT has saved all of them right here for me. Whenever I need to use any of them, I'll just go and click on them, then I use them. I mean, I can, you know, revisit my prompts and stuff like that, do the necessary adjustment and stuff like that. But then what if you don't want these things to be saved, right? What if you don't want them to be saved over here, right? This is what you have to do. You come to the top here where we have this icon. This icon allows you to turn on temporary chat. When we say temporary chat, it simply means whatever that you are going to do with ChatGPT, when you turn this on, that thing is not going to be saved under your chats over here. All right. So now let me turn it on and let's see something. So this chat won't appear in history. Use or update ChatGPT's memory or be used to train our models. For certain purpose, we may keep a copy of this chart for up to 30 days. So this is what you need to know. Whatever you're going to do over here is not going to appear over here. So let's say, let me just make a quick, something over here. Help me learn graphic designing. All right. This is just something random. All right. Ideally, this is supposed to, come down to the chat section over here, the history. Since it starts processing, it has to appear over here in a chat history over here. But then it's not going to appear because temporary chat, it's already turned on. So this is not going to appear over here, right? So ChatGPT is actually giving me information on how to go about that. But yeah, that's just a random, prompt I'll give in ChatGPT. Anyway, yeah, so those are the two things that I want you to